Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're gonna talk about Satoshis again. I like to do my little thing where I like to see what your Satoshis could buy you in the future. If you were to invest today, again, this is not financial advice. You should not take my advice nor my opinion on anything. You should do your own research or speak to a professional financial advisor. Now that that's out of the way. If you were to invest, how much was it again? $500 American today, what is it? January 16th, 2025, you would get about 502,000 Satoshis, and that is going to be your future dollars. So that means if you spend $500 today on Bitcoin, and you will get the fractionizing of the Bitcoin, which is Satoshis, you will have $502,000, or sorry, future dollars in the next 4 to 9 years. Now that is amazing. Now we're going to ask ChatGPT how much the average American person spends monthly, annually, and in their lifetime in groceries. ChatGPT, can you answer that question, please?
Of course.
uh, let's try that again. ChatGPT, how much does the average American spend on groceries
Here's a
per?
breakdown of grocery spending in the US. Monthly grocery spending 2023 estimates. Single adult, $250 to $450. Couple, $500 to $800. Family of 4, $900 to $1,500. Annual grocery spending. Single adult, $3,000 to $5,400. Couple, $6,000, $9,600. Family of 4, $10,800. 18,000 lifetime grocery spending based on a 77-year lifespan. Single adult, $231,000 to $458,800. Couple, $462,000 and $739,200. Family of 4 before kids move out, $497,700, $829 and $500 for 18 years per child. So, if you're stacking Satoshis, this gives you a perspective on how Bitcoin could impact future grocery budgets.
Thank you, ChatGPT. That was really good. But in the future, please keep the answers to very short and summarized, please. Thank you. Now, we're going to read that real quick. Your monthly groceries spending, this is 2023 estimates, but let's just add inflation for the hell of it because we're 2025 and the economy is going to shit. And this is why we're investing in Bitcoin, aka Satoshis. So, for a single adult on a monthly budget, you spend between $250 and $450 a month on food. But obviously, with inflation now, we're gonna mark that up to, let's just say, between $600 and $800 per person monthly. For your annual grocery spending for a single person, 3,000 to 5,400. Okay, that's annually. With inflation in 2025, we're going to mark that up to between five and $7,500. Now, for let's see, where did they do the breakdown for? Oh wait, we're doing. Yeah, sorry. For a single adult in the lifetime grocery spending, a single adult $231,000 to $415,000 in their entire lifetime buying groceries. That's amazing. That's based on a 77 years lifespan. So if you're middle aged like me, I don't know, and you're like your mid 30s, whatever, then you probably don't have 77 years left of your life. So you don't have to worry about that. But that's a lifetime worth of groceries in America for your average American. Now, if you were to buy $500 worth of Bitcoin today, you would have a lifetime supply of food in Satoshis, aka future dollars, for 500 bucks. $500, that's roughly uh, 1 month of groceries for one person. That $500, your 1 month of groceries will literally buy you a lifetime worth of groceries in your future Satoshi dollars. So, I would strongly recommend, again, not financial advice, strongly recommend you do your own research, but do it soon because the train is leaving. You got 4 to 9 years and you have to stack, So every month, every time you have money, every time you have any extra dollars sitting in your account or whatever, acquire Satoshis before it's too late. Now we're going to thank ChatGPT for all her help or his help or whatever. ChatGPT, I'd like to say thank you for your help and the information and say you're welcome and have a good day to my audience.
You're welcome. And to everyone watching, have a great day.
Beautiful. I wouldn't have put it any better than myself. So I hope you guys have a great day. If you like this video, you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what are the things that you would like to buy with your future dollars, aka Satoshis, because we're all going to be super fucking filthy rich, and I can't wait. 49 years, baby. Ooh, it's going to be nice. It's going to be so nice. Acquire Satoshis and stack that shit. All right. Good day, guys.